This is a Billie Eilish one. Something that I don't usually sing, but for a change, maybe let's go. Let's try. I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in this casket you carry. Though I'm going to. I'm in the wrong key. Can I do again? If not, I'll die. You help me, okay?
Okay.
Is it like I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. 想要你留下，直到宝贝们在，直到我的相去已不来，直到光彩把我好好安葬，跟随着你步伐。因为爱是你呀，若我失去体温，别救我，少了宝贝我也不想再活。我知道为什么哭泣不可能会更爱你，生命短暂，也许等我对你此情不渝的爱，将会一直存在，直到我们分开，爱会一直存在，爱会一直存在。Thank you. And it was Billie Eilish's Birds of a Feather.
Birds of a feather. Chinese lyrics as well.
Yes,
Wow.
but the Chinese lyrics are not written by me. It's by Softy. So go follow her. SOPHTFEI. Feifei. Like she does a lot of the Chinese lyrics very well, and she translates the meaning to fit it to the song. So it's a lot of work actually. I
Wow.
really like this piece.
Not easy. Cannot chat GPT.
Cannot. This one cannot chat GPT. Need brain.
Wow.
This one need brain.
And this is something that you're going to work on.
Yes, we are gonna record.
We're going to try to record this this Friday.
I don't know whether can or not.
So
but we'll see
next
how.
week, will it be out next week?
No lah, this one I
Oh,
think
no
it
ah.
take 1 month maybe.
Ah.
I don't